Boom. You don't want to be on camera?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. It's been a while since I've been on your show. As long as people don't start asking about January.
No, they're good. They're good. Let me turn on my second mic, and we are live. We are at a barbecue. Wait, something is not on. We have one mic that's on, but not the second mic. Here. Don't tell me my mic is dead. All right, we got one mic working, but the other mic's not working. Let me see.
You're like, and
we're in business. All right, we got two mics. Hey guys, we're at Doug Scribner's house here in Miami. We're about to have an epic barbecue. They'll bring out a bunch of guests. Where's the guest of honor? Satoshi.
Satoshi.
Come here, man. Come here, buddy.
you're gonna get away from the
He wants
stage.
to meet. Hello, people.
I'm gonna push your dog.
91 people watching now. Hi.
Oh, look at this.
Thoughts on shut.
Look at this cutie.
Satoshi is a Pomeranian and what is it? The other
Pomsky.
one? Pomsky. Yeah.
Pomsky.
And a husky.
Pomeranian and a husky, and we have one more.
We
I
have
forgot all
one
their
little
names.
baby down here.
Look at this.
Oh, she's
Where did she go?
scared.
She's gone. All right. Hey, the price of Bitcoin is pumping. It's great. We got a bunch of other people here you may recognize. They've been on the show before. Miami, a conference just finished. What'd you think?
Yeah, I mean, it used to be the North American Bitcoin Conference, which is pretty legendary of a conference. Like BitShares launched there, Ethereum launched there. This year, there's the 10th year technically, and it was bought out by
Harry A.
what do you think about that, Tone?
Well, it's not that different. Oh, I have my mic.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot less people this year, though. Oh no, we got to get the stakes. Hold on, guys. The camera's gonna be following me around in a second. This is my smart AI cam. Boom, boom. All right, let me show you the stakes. Let me get this out of the way. We're gonna look at the price of Bitcoin too. All right, we got. Oh, those are beautiful. We got Johnny F. Did he steal one?
No, a little bit though. Not a big quaffle piece.
Oh, I'm stealing a piece. Hold on, I'm gonna show it to the camera. Wow, look at this.
Oh.
Perfect medium rare steak. Good job, man. Good job. We're gonna eat one.
Okay.
Oh, this is awesome.
Careful.
A little cool inside.
Is it? I want some.
Yep.
I like it though.
Black and blue.
And then bring that back to the board.
Oh man, we need a paper towel.
Oh my, don't serve them like that. No, they gotta come out and get them.
Yeah, make them come out.
Spots on the thing. What do you want to bring?
Oh.
We're good.
That was really good.
No, it's super good. Wow,
What color is that?
the seasoning is awesome.
Thank you.
Great job, John.
What cut is that?
Those are ribeyes.
That was your
Ribeyes?
strip.
Oh, that was a strip.
I love
Oh, so I had the strip, not
Yeah.
the ribeye. Oh wow, that was good. That was super good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to screen share. So with the price of Bitcoin, everyone's been waiting for it. I haven't streamed in like a week. It's been crazy. I've been traveling here, coming through Miami. We had the conference. It's great to take a look at a price chart after not looking at it for like a week and a half.
Tone did a really good job at the conference. If they live stream it, you should post it on your channel so they can see your explanation. It was really good.
Oh yeah, no, that was my presentation on Bitcoin decentralization. And we have been consolidating, this slowly creeping up, and boom, there's the breakout. We've been expecting that. But as you guys know, we got some major resistance coming up at 25,000. I've been waiting for us to hit 25,000, and it's going to be a doozy. Once we get close to 25,000, there's a very high probability of rejection. Doug Scribner is here. We're going to get him for an interview in a minute.
John, who you know?
So not much new to say here. We do have room on the MRI, but we're about to run into a triple-headed resistance monster that is not going to be easy to break. So other than that, we're looking good. Doug.
Yeah.
Oh, you can actually unplug that.
Oh, okay.
Let's make it safe for everyone.
All
Actually, I'm unplugging it. Let me grab it because I'll be on battery power.
All right. I'm cutting this. You want some of this?
Are you live streaming
I
right now?
am live right now. I'm gonna cut the screen share for a second.
What's it here, Dougie?
Not yet. I'm waiting for the tomahawk and the girls
Boom.
to arrive.
Okay.
I didn't start it because she wasn't.
Yeah, go ahead. She's an hour, 45 minutes away.
All right, here we go. And there's Doug Scribner,
How you doing?
the guy who usually joins from his mom's basement in a robe.
You guys
Actually,
remember me?
actually has his own house with the cutest dogs ever. There he is.
This is one of them. This is Anna. This is the girl.
That's the girl. She's the smallest.
She is very small. Yeah.
What's the name of the big one?
Ajna.
Yeah, he got huge.
Yeah. And then Satoshi. So fans of Tone will remember when he was smothered in
We're
dogs.
live, brother.
Smothered in dogs. When they were little tiny puppies. Good to see everyone. I know you missed my robe. Here you go.
I'll take it.
Oh, here's Satoshi.
But there's Satoshi.
No. This is
Anna. So Satoshi's down there.
He's down
Doug,
there.
how you been? How's the investment world going?
Well, let me tell you.
Doug dives into the world of VC, came to the financial summit as well. Had a good time. We're gonna grab a chair, go for it.
I met so many cool people at Tone Summit. It's
Right
like the best. And what's going on is crypto winter, obviously, but I have been making, small, and I guess I do, this is kind of new to me, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like a new family office, basically. So I kind of specializing, if you can call it that, in like small seed startups in the crypto space. 99% of everything I do is crypto space. And I did start diversifying into some property, started doing that like a year ago. So it's always a good idea.
Well, this place is awesome.
Well, yeah, this I bought 2 years ago. It'll be,
Yep, that's the event you were at, the
Yeah.
Dominican Republic
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Brings
there's
back
one- I
memories.
saw myself, right? Yeah, I'm in there. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so this is totally cool. And I highly recommend Tone's events. Might be going, that's me playing the piano.
Yeah, there he is.
So much fun. And then it seems like half the people who are there are here right now at the barbecue.
Yeah, there was a big representation from Miami when we do Dominican Republic.
Yeah. Is Melissa coming? That'd be kind of cool.
No, I invited her, but I don't know if she'll make it.
All right. So,
And what do you think of the price
I'm
here? as
flying-
well?
oh my
go ahead.
God. Where are we? Did we hit 24?
We almost did. We hit 23,955.
Hey.
We were $45 away.
Okay. Wow, the meat looks great over there.
Hey, Bitcoin Motorist says hi, Doug.
Hey, how's it going, Patrick? Get a haircut. That's my
Yeah.
usual shout out.
Yeah, we got about 200 people watching right now on a Sunday, and we're missing the game for you guys. The game's inside. We're eating steak. I'm stealing a piece.
And there's probably, it looks like there's only like 5 people out here, but there are, arguably 10 more people inside watching the
And
game.
10 more coming.
Really?
Yeah, at least, yeah.
I was like, how many people are coming to the house?
My girlfriend is coming. She'll be here in 45. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Yeah.
All right, who's your next guest going to be? Has Erica already said her hellos?
I want to get Muzz and Lightning Ventures.
Okay, I'll get Muzz. I'll be back.
Yeah, Muzz come out.
All right. No food for dog.
Nope, no.
Yeah, come on.
They tried to eat it in the kitchen. I fended them off.
Man, steaks are great.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. All right, guys. Let's look at the markets. We have the S&P closed. I haven't paid attention to the S&P either. I've just been like with this conference and seeing friends I haven't seen since Christmas time. The S&P is breaking out. We've been talking about this monster breakout for a long time. I have been bullish on the S&P since October, and basically since timing the slow absolutely perfectly. And very soon we're gonna break to a bullish trade on the Arun. Oh, here comes Muzz. I'm gonna get a sneak peek at Lightning Ventures and see what's going on with the markets in the VC world.
This one.
Hey, Muzz.
Yo,
Have a seat. Have a steak.
have a steak, have a seat.
Let's talk investing
All
for
right.
5 minutes. I'll get Buzz on a full-blown episode of the hell was that show on the record?
Crypto scam. No, we'll find out. No, you need to do a crypto scam. Is investing in Bitcoin companies a potential scam? You should
It's an
investigate
interesting
it
discussion,
thoroughly.
right? So I had this discussion. I was in I'm not gonna say what country. I was having dinner with John Carvalho, Bitcoin Airlog, and I told him this was right before the bottom in the Bitcoin miners. And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna invest in some Bitcoin mining companies, at least one, as a leveraged play on Bitcoin. He's like, yeah, but he's trying to convince me that it's just like investing in a shitcoin, investing in a Bitcoin mining company. Yeah. I disagree with it. I disagree with his assessment.
I think it depends on the instrument, right? Like the Blockstream mining note or the Volcano bonds. I mean, I think it just depends on when you get in and how they're structured. And there's probably a lot of scams with Bitcoin mining. I mean, all those. Compass was a scam, right?
Right, but that was no, Compass didn't actually blow up. Compass was a little bit different.
Did you get Satoshi Scribner on the stream here? I think he needs some Instagram followers.
Right here.
Oh, there's.
Hope he's not eating food.
So
All right,
2 dogs.
There you are. I'm gonna go to screen share, guys. We're gonna pull up.
What's going on with the price? Is it 24,000? That's what
It was $40 away. It was $40 away.
And what happened?
Well, we're still there. I think we're gonna break it during the football game. It's also football playoffs. Everyone needs their Bitcoin to gamble with. So this is Buzz. He's right here. He's the founder of Lightning Ventures, and along with the Bitcoin Chess, he's going to be hosting Bitcoin Chess at Unconfiscatable. Muzz was also organizing Unconfiscatable for quite a while, and now you're super busy with Lightning Ventures, which everyone should pay attention to.
Yeah, taking a little break, but I think this will probably be the best Unconfiscatable ever because it's the first year where tickets are on sale 11 months in advance and not 11 weeks in advance. But yeah.
All right, so let's go to Lightning Ventures. Tell us about it. This is your fund. It invests exclusively in Bitcoin infrastructure with a focus on Lightning. And this fund is already closed, but there may be another one in the future.
Yeah. So this fund is closed. That was a flagship fund, but what's cool is we have a syndicate, which is where anyone can invest in Bitcoin companies, right? That's the most important thing is getting access to people getting started, investing a small amount of money. And we just do Bitcoin companies. So that's all you're going to get from us. No flying cars or anything like that. There's plenty of other groups that do that stuff.
No virtual land in the metaverse?
No virtual land, no metaverse dating. We do have some orange pill dating apps. Right. There's a lot of cool things out there that are built with Bitcoin. But actually, if you click complete portfolio there, it
complete portfolio.
Should be a lot of.
So this is what you've invested in and what you have promoted via syndicate.
Yeah, right. So if you fill out the LP application on our website, you get an expedited way to join our group, right? Which removes a lot of the application. There's a 2-day wait period, but these deals will come out, right? Like Geyser is live right now, or maybe Unchained Capital, or Thunder Games, Fountain. So these companies that we all love and use, right? Whether you're podcasting 2.0 or wallets or an exchange somewhere, you can invest $1,000 for a minimum, and then you can help the companies. You can read the updates, see how you can be impactful. It's great for networking. It's great for a lot of different things, right? And it's super fun. So if you want to invest in Bitcoin companies, which the caveat here is that you have to be an accredited investor. Or you at least have to identify as an accredited investor, okay? So if you identify as an accredited investor, click the correct button indicating that you do. But yeah, that's pretty much it about Lightning Ventures.
All right. So what are you excited about going into 2023 besides the price of Bitcoin finally entering a bull market? What companies are on your radar going forward, or what style of companies? What are you looking to focus on?
Well, you see, Tone wants the price of Bitcoin to go up. I'm okay with it just sitting around here for a while. Nice. Let's bounce around between 20 and 25K for another 12 months, right? If you've got an accumulation strategy. I mean, don't pamp me too hard, daddy, with the Bitcoin price. What are we excited about? Well, it's great that the conferences are back up and running again. I know you mentioned Unconfiscatable, of course, but there's a lot of good conferences coming up. That's really rad to see. And then as far as companies go, I mean,
well, real quick before all the meat is gone, guys, this is what you're missing if you're not at
hey,
at
wait,
Scribner's house right now.
have
Daniel
Daniel plug the South Florida stuff. What's the Bitcoin Vortex?
So the Bitcoin,
Nope.
Oh,
Bitcoin Vortex, yeah.
There you go.
So Bitcoin Vortex is where all the, Miami area Bitcoin meetup are all having their meetups like back to back. So it'll be like Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday during the day, barbecue, Sunday, Bitcoin brunch, and then, Sunday afternoon, I'm doing an event, which will be like educational on Bitcoin security, multi-sig, that kind of stuff. And then finally Monday, BitDev. So if you check out, btcvortex.com, then you can sign up for some of those. Most of them are free except for the barbecue, which I think you just pay for food. So we have some people coming in from out of town. It's going to be pretty big, and it just helps build the Bitcoin community. So I'm Daniel Amelli. I'm helping co-host some of those events.
and if you're in sunny South Florida, how can they find out about all those amazing meetups? I'm asking you.
Trask Eric.
Oh yeah, I was just
What, Daniel,
btcvortex.com. And
what's your Twitter?
oh, and yeah, my personal Twitter is
I'll pull it up.
DKA218.
GKA.
Yeah, DKA218. So yeah, I'll be tweeting about those events.
There is the
I'm on the screen share right now for you guys.
BTC Miami group that they're always in, and then there's
They got 2,000 people in that Telegram group. It's crazy.
I think you're talking about my Telegram group.
Yeah, it's probably yours.
BTC Miami.
Oh, right.
It's the weird fucking political channel, honestly.
There's Daniel's Twitter. Go ahead and follow him for any meetups here in Miami.
Yeah, keep the Twitter Bitcoin and closely related topics only.
All right, though I'm not sure why. There it is. That finally came back. All right, I think all the food's pretty much inside. The football game is happening inside. There's not much more I can say about the price of Bitcoin, other than I don't think this is over. I think we're gonna pump a little bit more, especially with the big football games today. I think we're gonna come closer to 25K, and then there's gonna be a pullback. So I'm still looking for slightly higher prices. I think we will break 24. Breaking 25 is gonna be a little bit trickier.
where's the prior swing high, Tone?
25. So 25 was the area where we sat, right as. So it was over here. Right here. That's the prior swing high, right at 25K back in August, where we.
Yeah, that's it.
And this was the crash, the FTX crash. So this is the prior swing high. We just got to break above that, got to break this triple resistance of moving averages, prior swing high, MRI resistance. Once we get sufficiently above 25, so I'm thinking 25, then 21, then 29, 28, then pull back to 25, and bear market's done. So I am expecting great things for this year. I do think that we have bottomed, but the price still needs to prove it.
Who's left to interview? You want me to get
Both is left. If Jason wants to come out, ask if anybody else wants to come out. If nobody wants to come out, right, and I don't see anyone in the share, if no one's sitting here in 5 minutes, I'm going in.
LTNG.ventures, LP application.
Yep, right there.
Okay.
LTNG.venture. You see the website right there. Check that out. If you want to be, if you always wanted to be an accredited investor in a VC fund that is by Bitcoiners for Bitcoiners, that will only invest in Bitcoin companies in order to help Bitcoin's infrastructure. This is it. Lightning Ventures is that fund. Why still using Twitter when there is Nostr? Because I haven't had time to get into Nostr yet. By the way, the founder of...
He does not sign the consent waiver.
Got it. Anyone else there? Wait, where's Nico? Where's Simply Bitcoin? Nico from Simply Bitcoin is supposed to be here, but I have no idea where he is. Once he shows up, if I'm still live. I haven't gotten into Nostr yet, but I will. So, founder of Nostr signed up for Unconfiscatable. We're going to have him as a speaker. I haven't really thought about where I expect Bitcoin to pop. I have to be 99.9% convinced the bear market's over before I start talking about a Bitcoin top. And I'm not yet 99% convinced. I'm like 70% convinced that the bottom for Bitcoin is in, but I want that to be above 95% before I start talking potential new all-time highs. All right, I want to go to the S&P 500 for a second. I want to see what's going on over there. Also, the oil markets. Man, I'll be back to a proper workstation soon. I've just been catching up with too many friends here in Miami. Miami is one of my bases. So what's going on in oil prices? Nothing interesting, actually. And the S&P. The S&P is about to become a monster. All it has to do is break out. And this is looking great. Like I said, I was one of the few people that called this low. I was bullish on the S&P. I did not see a big crash in the S&P. I called that one well. And I think we're going to the all-time highs in the S&P. All right, we got 3 minutes to go before I cut the stream. Tomorrow could be a bloodbath, but today, for the next 24 hours, I think we're going to break 24K. I should have bought a condo. I was down here on South Beach in 2010 where I could have bought a condo for $40,000. But the thing is, I only had $40,000 to my name back in 2010. So I decided not to buy that condo. And hey, John, want to jump on a live stream and talk about your job?
Sure.
Perfect. I didn't want to dox where you work. Let's do a plug. Oh, yeah, right here. Let's do a plug for Swan.
Of course.
Yeah, what a random barbecue. We got like everybody here. I'm still waiting for Nico from Simply Bitcoin. What's up?
Yeah, he's on his way, right?
Yep. What Twitter am I pulling up to plug you?
JONCHENOT. John Chanel. What's up, everyone?
There you are.
Is there a live chat or anything?
Boom. There is a little bit of a live chat.
Okay.
All right. How was Pacific Bitcoin? Tell us about it. Unfortunately, I was out of the country.
Well, I mean, in my opinion, Pacific Bitcoin was the best Bitcoin conference that I had experienced. And that's not to overshadow or to like, brag necessarily, but like it was something really special. And I think that's something that I heard from everyone who was attending, and we were all kind of experiencing it together. It was a really special time, really special moment. And a lot of the moments that you try to replicate at Unconfiscatable, it's a similar vibe where you're bringing all of us together who just care deeply about this movement. And
yep, guys, if you're interested in
time.
Swan, I do have an affiliate link on my affiliate page. I actually have no idea what happens with that. I've had this link for like a year, but I've never. I don't even know if I'm getting.
Don't you have Swan Force?
I
Don't you have the Swan Force membership?
So I don't. I just promote. I try to stay as neutral as
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
So,
It's an affiliate.
but it is an affiliate. Even though I don't know if it's actually linked to me, but it's either my affiliate or a friend's affiliate. But it's somebody's affiliate on my website. Because I do recommend Swan if you are looking to dollar cost average. That is my #1 recommendation for a company that actually believes in Bitcoin and treats it properly.
Yeah, yeah. So that's one of the reasons why I'm just incredibly privileged and excited to be a part of Swan, is because we are fully focused on Bitcoin. Like there are no other distractions, right? And so I guess what I'm really focused on in getting involved with the in-person aspect of Swan and curating the in-person experience for our VIP clients and for people who are just involved in the Swan community. It's just a tremendous amount of value that you can provide and that you experience when you're getting in these intimate gatherings with people who are so focused on Bitcoin,
Yep.
obviously.
And we just had a chat with Muzz of Lightning Ventures, and
Yeah,
Lightning
what did you
Ventures
guys talk
is an
about?
investor in Swan.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So yeah, so it's a
There's lots
good
of
crowd here in
swans.
Miami. Yeah,
Lots of swans around here.
yeah,
Like you.
good crowd here in Miami. All right,
Yeah,
I
who
think
do
it's
you wanna
time to
see
get
next?
get inside and watch the game. If Nico's not here yet, did you see Nico from Simply Bitcoin?
No.
He's not there yet. All right, he is coming, but we're gonna cut the stream off. Maybe he'll do his stream from here later. Maybe I'll do another one tonight. Let's see how the price goes. If the price breaks 25 or crashes down below 23, I'll try to stream again tonight. We're gonna be having a barbecue and playing some poker. In the meantime, you guys were pulling back a little bit. I don't think this is anything to worry about. However, when we hit that 25 mark, I am anticipating a bit of a pullback. So this is probably not the time to jump into your leverage trades. We've gone up a little too far, a little too fast in the last 30 days. I don't think you've missed out on the major bull market. I think there will be an opportunity to buy slightly lower, but if you're dollar cost averaging, especially with Swan, the best time to buy was yesterday. My answer is always yesterday. People always ask, when is a good time to buy Bitcoin? My answer has always been yesterday.
That's dude, that's good advice, because how many times do you see the price fluctuations and just have that like FOMO, or like when you question like, when is it gonna be at 23 again, or whatever the price is.
All right.
All right,
John, also was fun going sailing yesterday.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we were out sailing. That was good. It took about half a day. That was a lot of fun. Learning how to actually help during sailing. Not one of my skill sets. Not one of my skill sets growing up in New York.
No, it's fun having you.
All right, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm gonna try to do a couple of these streams a little more often. Time to go inside, watch the game, say hi to my friend Satoshi that's in there, and I'll see you all on the next.